Marion here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video for you guys that I'm really excited about. We are getting Corey's little nursery room ready. We're sitting in it right now, although it's currently technically the playroom, but it's soon to be Corey's nursery, and I am in the midst of transforming the room, so I wanted to take you guys along on the journey with me. I was going to just wait till the nursery was completely done. Corey. So I will do a full room tour when the nursery is complete, as well as my older son, my toddler's like updated room, because his crib's coming to Corey's room and he's getting a new bed, etc. So I will do like two really nice kind of fancy videos, but I wanted to also just take you guys along with the process, tell you guys what I'm thinking, what we've got going on and everything. So yeah, and also if you guys have any ideas for me, I would really appreciate that. So yeah, I thought it would be fun to do a little home update for you guys and sort of capture the last moments of this room being a playroom, and the last moments before it becomes Corey's room. So yeah, in our home, I have always had, for my two babies, I've had them up in our master bedroom until they turn about 6 months. That's what we did for Max. That's probably the plan for Corey. So I never have had a nursery ready when the baby's born. Also, it's a Jewish like custom / superstition to not like get stuff ready for the baby before they're born. So I always think it's so funny on YouTube to see all these like nursery tours long before the baby's here, whereas like our nurseries are ready when they're like almost a year old. So yeah, just different customs and traditions, but I'm going to take you guys along with the ride. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marion. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, and I would love it if you subscribed. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully it won't be too long till I'm showing you guys the final reveal. So yeah, I'm going to take you along. I'm going to show you guys what we got going on in this room, and I might do a little sneak into Max's room, show you what's changing in there, and I'll show you guys our master bedroom, what we've got, where Corey's stuff is now, and kind of like what's coming down here. Okay, let's get started. By the way, I just popped Corey down on the floor, so you'll probably see him on the floor during this video, but I might do a whole separate video on this. I think that leaving babies on the floor to just be like in their own environment, not be in like chairs or any of those devices, really helps their development. So Corey is already rolling back to front, front to back. He lifts his head really well. He's super strong, and I think it's because he is just on the floor a ton, and that's because me and my older son Max are just playing all over the house, so I can't like just be putting him in his bouncer all the time. So anyways, that's just a total aside, but because you're going to see him on the floor, I just wanted to explain that. That's where he likes to be. He'll kick it, he'll roll around, he'll do his tummy time, he'll do his thing. All right, let's jump into the room tour. Okay, so this is the room. There's the baby. Hi, Corey. First thing is I'm looking for a door sign, maybe to go like here or right there that says Corey's room. This was an open shelving thing. It was really strange. My husband actually built these doors to close it up, so now we have a ton of storage. So I haven't figured out exactly what to do with this storage, how to make the best use of it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Well, so that's a pack and play. That'll give you sort of some idea of how just enormous this space is. But it's kind of like a closet, but it's really high up. So I don't know. If you have any ideas of how to make the best use of this space, please let me know. Currently, it just has, like I said, a pack and play, 6 to 12 month clothes that we have to open. These are 6 to 12 month like toys and stuff we have to go through. And then, oh, bedding. So it's a good time I can show you guys the bedding. It's all from Pottery Barn. This is the crib sheet with little stars. We're having a subtle like space / stars and moon theme to the room. This is the crib skirt, and then we've got the matching pillow, and up here is the quilt that's gonna go. I'm not gonna put this in the bed, obviously, in the crib when the baby's in there before he's 1 year old. It'll just go next to the crib. And then we also have this gorgeous blanket that he got from his aunt. So that is what the blanket looks like. Max sleeps with his every night, so I'm excited to have matching ones for them. Okay, so that is what we got going on in the closet. Then moving right along, here is a bunch of stuff I'm collecting to go in his room. I talked about this on my Instagram. This print is from Bookishly. I'm gonna put this next to like his bookshelf, I think. I also got this print from Bookishly. This is the actual night sky with the exact zip code over the hospital that he was born at the time he was born. So I just think that's really cool. And then, yeah, just some more stuff to hang up around the room. This I got from Shutterfly, Twinkle, my little star, and some of his newborn photos. This I did his hand and footprint. I just need to put a picture in. And then this is moving to Max's room because his toddler room is going to be a Carson room. Then right now, the closet. This is from Max's Nursery, this print. Corey just has a few clothes in here. We've got, oh my gosh. Corey. Then we've just got like toy storage here, so I need to sort this out. Then this is Corey's beanbag. It's from Pottery Barn Kids. It's super cute. Again, Max has a matching one. This is the Kallax system from IKEA. I'm thinking of moving it over here. And then over here will also be Corey's name in letters. I got wooden letters that spell out his name, so I think I'm gonna put them there. Then we painted this wall this deep navy color. I just love it as an accent wall. And then I got these decals on Etsy, I think. I will link them for you if I find them. They were so easy to put up, and I just think they make such an impact on the accent wall. So that's been a big project. And then the other big thing that we purchased was this ball pit. It's sort of a dupe of a European band one that's like hundreds of dollars. This is on Amazon. I think it was just $100, so way, way less. Still expensive, but I think it'll make a really nice impact in the room, and both of my boys already love playing with it, so I'm excited about that. They do all different colors, so I'll link that too. Then I've been sorting through this Kallax system and sort of replacing the toys that were in it with baby toys. So I have a bunch of baby books in it now, and then toys. Ugh, see, this is Little People. He's not really ready for that. Let's see, baby music. Yeah, so those are baby music toys. Some shape sorters. These are our favorite Hot Bay toys that we've loved for years. So yeah, this is the overall room. Like I said, a lot more work to do. I think the crib's gonna go here. This Kallax system I think will go here with the Corey sign above it. And the ball pit maybe over here. And then his dresser, which is in our bedroom now, will go here. So that, I think, is the current plan. What do you think, Corey? Is that good? Okay, then in our master bedroom, I have Corey's dresser. This was in Max's room. If you've been watching for a long time, let me know down below. You'll have seen this in his room. But it's now Corey's dresser, so yeah, we will move this down to his room. Then we also have the snoo, of course. If anyone's curious about the snoo, I have a whole review video I can link below. We absolutely love it. So this Corey will actually be too big for when he moves down to his room, so we're probably going to sell it, is my guess. And then we have his swing here, which, oh, and a little, step ladder. He doesn't love the swing. We'll probably just keep it in this room. Sometimes I just need to put him in it so that he can be like up off the ground from the dogs, but it really is just like for 5 minutes. So we'll probably either leave that there or dismantle it. And then the other thing we have that's Corey's is his rocking chair, which I love. This used to be in Max's room too. This is a Pottery Barn rocking chair. It's really nice and comfortable, so that will go in his room. And yeah, that's just some toys lying on the floor. So yeah. In Max's room, I think nothing's too much more updated than when I did a room tour. The only thing that's different is we've got this quilt, the same one as Corey has, and the pillow, same as Corey's, and this is his blanket, which I've shown before. So his car bed, so we got him a car bed, which I'll show you guys. We've been working on it, and I think it's just gonna go right here, possibly over there. I'm not sure exactly. We added these 2 shelves. These are from Target. We just put them on the wall because we got rid of his dresser. It went upstairs, and it's gonna be Corey's dresser. And yeah, other than that, oh, and this new chair, I'm not sure if I talked about, I think I did mention it. This is the Crate and Barrel chair and a half, which is really nice because me, Corey, and Max can all hang out in here very easily, all fit on there, so I really like that. So that's a new thing we added. So yeah, I'll show you guys the car bed. Okay, so this is the office in our house, and this is the car bed. It's actually from Kidcraft. It was, I want to say, oh, bless you, Corey. It was like $125, I want to say, and it's not great lighting, but it's really cute. It actually came in red and blue colors, and we spent about 3 weekends painting it this gray, black, and white. I know everyone else is like, why are you painting it? Because the room colors are just gray and light blue, and I just didn't want a big red bed, and that's just me. But oh, I'm sorry about the lighting. Yeah, so this is the car bed all done, so we're just getting ready for Max to be ready for it. He sleeps so good in his crib, so it's tough to just pull it from him. But yep, that's the car bed ready to go. So that is our life in flux with the rooms changing all around. I hope you guys like this video. Look out for the full reveal of the nursery and my son's new room coming up. Hopefully not too long. Although, oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss Corey being in our room. I can't bear that he's growing up so fast. I got a bath running. I gotta get these boys in the bath, dinner, bed, etc. I gotta run. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.